Old. Older. This is a comparative adjective. Oldest. This is a superlative adjective. Elder. This is a comparative adjective. Eldest. This is a superlative adjective. Comparative adjectives compare things or people, so we compare one with the other. In this context, we are referring to a greater age. Superlative adjectives compare one thing or person with all other things or people in a group. In this context, we are talking about someone or something that has the greatest age. Older. This is a comparative adjective. We can use older when referring to a person or a thing. It refers to someone who has lived for a long time, so it's the opposite of younger. For example, Adam is my older brother. Here we have an attributive adjective because we are attributing a quality to the noun being modified. Here is the attributive adjective, and it comes directly before the noun. Older can also be used to describe something that has existed for a long time. For example, my car is older than Sam's car. In this example, we have a predicative adjective. The adjective follows a linking verb and modifies the subject of the sentence. Elder. Elder is also a comparative adjective. However, we only use it when referring to a person, usually a family member. Again, it describes someone who has lived for a long time. For example, Adam is my elder brother. As you can see in the sentence, elder comes directly before the noun. Therefore, it's called an attributive adjective. We can't say Adam is elder than me. This is incorrect. Instead, we can use the adjective older. Adam is older than me. Here we have a predicative adjective because the adjective comes after the linking verb. Another example is, my elder sister is a teacher. Lastly, it's important to note, elder is also a noun. As a noun, it refers to senior citizens, or people that are older and more experienced within a community. For example, we should respect our elders. Oldest. Oldest is a superlative adjective. Again, we use oldest when referring to people or things. For example, if we're talking about a person, my oldest brother is Adam. He's the oldest in the family. When we're talking about a thing, we can say, that's the oldest car I've seen. Eldest. Eldest is a superlative adjective. However, we only use eldest when we're talking about a person, generally family members. For example, my eldest brother is Adam. He's the eldest in the family. So in summary, remember, older and oldest can be used to describe people or things. Elder and eldest can only be used when describing people.